Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's me Jay and welcome back to another YouTube video. So I haven't been recording in a while, but I am now. I'm recording like today again. But so make sure you guys go to my friend Mason and Doosan's profile. Here, you can't see all of Mason's. This is all Mason. Make sure you guys go subscribe to him. But you guys have to go on his profile and go to it. I think Doosan has one too. But just like try to check. And yeah, so we're gonna be like playing games with each other and stuff. The game you wanna play for my vid. Let's see, I'm gonna actually check if they're in the game. Nope. Let's check. Yeah, no, he doesn't. He didn't put it on his profile, but Mason, he did. No, he's also leader for my group because he's my friend, so yeah, he's one of my best friends. Wait, what? I'm not in it. Mason, I joined your group. Let's join there. Is he even playing a game? Still? I gotta check these on. Yeah, let's just find. Let's play some Sky Wars. Oops, store. You know, I'll do the next episode like buying one of these, but it's only gonna be when I have 600, no, yeah, just 300 Robux if I can. Hey Charlie, what are you doing, huh? What you doing? Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Hey Charlie, calm down, you silly boy. Yeah. Alright, 4 blocks. I already know this. I know. And there's penguin, snowman. There's a lot. Yeah, I bought this one right here. Yeah, see if I walk on a different one, it's gonna make me buy. I mean, I could buy this already, but I don't want to. Ghost. Alright, let's go back home. But I didn't leave. Yeah, let's just play something. Let's just go back to this. Let's just go on to this. Oh! My friends already created VIP servers. That's how you get tons of XP and stuff. So shout out to both of my friends. Let me turn on that. And then my favorite map is actually this. like that's on here. I mean, I don't know this one, like that one, because it's new, I think. But yeah. You know, I'm just gonna join the group for this game. I might die. Oh well. Oh crap. Alright guys. You get a ton of XP like this. I'm just gonna have a swarm. There we go. And you just level up fast. And you could get tons of coins without buying them. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for, is to try to get the new good, the toxic. Alright. Dang, actually I've made a lot so far. By the way, make sure you guys leave a comment and make sure you guys subscribe and like the video, please. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers, like just like so I can actually like have like one achievement done, like for what I'm trying to do. Like I'm trying to see how fast it'll take, like how long it will take to get 100 subscribers. And so yeah. Charlie, that's not yours. It's your sister's. Yeah. Go put it back. Oh yeah, it was like 1 week in or something like that. When we taught, like 1 week in when we got him. Like 1 week for how long we got him. And we actually taught him how to go up the stairs and everything. But now since he knows how to do that, he just goes upstairs and takes things down. But that's where his crate is now because my parents can't sleep because he's whining too much. But we all love him. Trying to hit 300 levels. Ow. Okay, Charlie, could you quit walking around with the keyboard, please? What are you trying to do? You want to get up on the couch? Alright, guys. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end off the video here. And 1 second, though. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna end off the video here. I'll see you guys on the next one. So.